The biggest shopping weekend of the season may have passed, but the trends are here to stay. Joining us to shed some light on the hottest must-have items of the season is national shopping specialist Claudia Lombana. Good morning, Claudia.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Any surprises from Black Friday or Cyber Monday?
Really impressive numbers when it came to the level of mobile growth. Cyber Monday, we saw a 190% increase in mobile payment volume at PayPal.
Wow.
On Black Friday, it was 193%, so threefold growth in mobile volume throughout the holiday weekend.
And what would you say has changed in recent years in how we shop for gifts? Obviously, it's getting a little easier.
What's really fueling the change is a couple of things, starting with technology. So mobile devices, smartphones and tablets, really giving unlimited convenience and flexibility to consumers. And then we're seeing the retail calendar really shifting, starting earlier than ever. At PayPal, we found that the U.S. holiday shopping season this year started on September 30th, a full month earlier than last year. So those deals coming out sooner and consumers embracing those earlier than ever.
So the season is starting a lot earlier, because everybody keeps saying that every year. It seems like it starts early and earlier. What about keeping our info secure when shopping online? Because I know a lot of people are concerned about giving their personal info, their bank account info, their credit card info.
Top of mind for 9 out of 10 consumers, security when they're shopping online or on mobile device. So a couple things you can do to make sure you're secure. Pay with PayPal. You don't have to give your credit card information to all those retailers. If you are going to give your credit card information online or on your mobile device, make sure that the website that you're on starts with the URL HTTPS. The S is key to security, and it's the only way you'll know that you're actually on a secure page when you're entering that information.
Okay, HTTPS. Great advice, Claudia. Thank you so much. For more information on all of these shopping trends, all you need to do is head to our website, thedbz.com. We'll have all the information and the links right there for you.